Good morning, one and all. Myself Naganika, lecturer in Commerce, Government Model Degree College, Ellareddy. State Industrial. Today we discuss State Industrial Development Corporation. So these state industrial development corporations are set up in India. So today 22 state industrial development development corporations are working in India. SIDs are merely financing agencies but are intended to act the instrument for the accelerating the pace of industrialization in the respective states. So it provides the these SIDs provides the financial assistance to the industrial concern and how they give financial assistance by the way of providing loans, by providing guarantees, by underwriting or the direct subscriptions of shares and debentures. So these SIDs undertake various promotional activities. So what are the promotional activities means techno-economic surveys, project identification, preparation of feasibility studies, selection and training of entrepreneurs. So they also provide joint sector projects in association with private promoters, means private and public. In such as projects, SIDCs take 26, private co-promoter take 25% of equity, the rest is offered to the investing to the public. So it gives the opportunity to the public to invest in various securities. So it also assists to the new entrepreneurs to learn how to establish the new industries and how to get the assistance from the banks. SIDCs also undertake the development of industrial areas, construction of sheds and provision of the infrastructure facilities and also development of new growth centers. They also administer various state government incentive schemes. Means these SIDCs provides infrastructure facilities. Infrastructure facilities means land, building, machinery, technical assistance. Also it assists the development of growth centers. The IDBI grant refinance to SIDCs also organized the term loans provided by them, and SIDCs also borrow by way of bonds. So these SIDCs borrow in the form of the bonds. So in public invest in the bonds. So these SIDCs collect the funds by introducing the bonds to the public and from the government and accept deposit from the augment of their resources. So from all other resources they accept the deposits. What are the main functions of the State Industrial Development Corporation? Small Industrial Development Organization is a subject of the development of SSI and auxiliary and rural industry. It is an body and nodal agency of the formulating and coordinating and monitoring the policies and programs for the promotion and development of the small scale industries. Development Commissioner is the head of the SIDO. He is associated with the various directors and the advisors among them. The SIDCs provide the possibilities for the development of industrial concerns and industrial estates. So these SIDCs for developmental activities extension the main functions of the performed by the state industrial development organ in each categories. So the functions relating to the coordination, to evolve a national policy for the development of small scale industries. So small scale industries are having less funds, so they take the assistance from the state development corporations. So to coordinate the policies and programs of the various state governments, means each state government is having different policies. means it coordinates all policies of the all state governments in India to maintain a proper liaison with the related central ministries, planning commission, state governments and financial institutions to coordinate the programs for the development of the industrial estates. So industrial estates also need the assistance from the SIDS, means SID, state development corporations, state industrial development corporations provide any assistance to the industrial estates. So the functions relating to the industrial development to reserve items for the production by small scale industries. So whatever the products produced by the small scale industries, they give assistance to market their products, to collect data, consumer items imported. So whatever the consumer items they need, whatever the products manufactured by the small scale industries, so they have to be imported. How to import? So they provide assistance to import to the foreign countries. Reach the settings of small units to produce these items by giving coordinated assistance to render required support for the development of ancillary units. So it gives the assistance to the small scale industries to encourage small scale industries to actively participate in government stores purchase program, giving them necessary guidance, market advice and the assistance. So this SIDC provides assistance to the small scale industries. So to make a provision to other relating functions to relating to extension. So to make the provision to technical services for improving technical process, production planning, selecting appropriate machinery, preparing factory layout and design. So improved technical process means in olden days they use manual system. So nowadays they are using all automatic machinery. So they are providing the automatic machinery to manufacture the products very easily and very fast. So they have to make the production planning. So how to make the product, how to market the product, how to make the research in how to make the market research. These all have to be identified by the industrial concern. Selecting the appropriate machinery. So machineries are less cost and more cost. So and quality. So all industries have to select the appropriate machinery to manufacture the products, preparing factory layouts. So what is the factory layout means? Factory layout means the total manufacturing process goes on. Design. So to provide the consultancy and training services to strengthen the competitive ability of the small scale industries. So small scale industries also compete with each other to render the marketing assistance to small scale industries to effectively sell their products. So small scale industries have to market their products in different places. So they need to, which place is convenient to sell the product. They have to identify the marketplace. Means these SIDCs provides the assistance to sell their products, to provide assistance in the economic investigation and the information to all small scale industries. These state government, our state government in our India, so totally 22 state industrial development corporation. So these corporations provides the loans and guarantees, underwriting of or direct subscriptions to shares and debentures. The SIDCs undertake various promotional activities such as conducting the techno-economic services. It provides the techno-economic services. So project identification. So what type of the project need to select. So what type of the project is useful. So first they have to identify the suitable suitable project. So they have to prepare the feasibility studies. Feasibility studies means possibility. So this project is can we able to do this project. So they have to identify all type of the possibilities. So possibility means feasibility studies. Then selection of the project. So new entrepreneurs do not have any knowledge about the industry, so they need training. So this type of training is given by the small industries development SIDCs. They also provide joint sector projects in association with private promoters. So these SIDCs share their investment with the private promoters also. So these SIDCs also undertake the development of the industrial areas, construction of the sheds, provision of infrastructure facilities, and also the development of the new growth centers. They also administer various state government incentive schemes. The IDBI grants refinance to state industrial development banks against the term loans provided by them. So small industries need more and more finance to conduct their day-to-day activities. So they need to manufacture the means they need funds to purchase the raw material daily wise. So for that purpose they need the funds. So these funds are given by the state industrial development banks. They also administer various state government incentive schemes. So is there any incentive schemes provided by the government? So they study those incentive scheme also. So SIDC, the IDBI grants refinance to SIDCs also against the term loans provided by them. SIDCs also borrow bonds from the government and accept the deposits. The main functions of the SIDCs. So small industrial development organization is a subordinate office of the development of the small scale industrial auxiliary and the rural industry. It is an apex body and nodal agency for formulating the coordinating and monitoring the policies and programs for the promotion and development of the small scale industries. So these small scale industries need the assistance to undertake their activities. So small scale industries get the funds, subscriptions to shares and the debentures. These SIDCs undertake various developmental activities. SIDCs also undertake the development of the industrial areas. So construction of sheds means any manufacturing unit need a shed to manufacture goods. Place and shed is required to manufacture the goods. So they need to store the raw material and work in progress and finished goods. They also administer various types of products. The IDBI grants the refinances to SIDCs. So these SIDCs overall in India 22 SIDCs are working. So these SIDCs provides the industrial assistance so to the industrial concern. So industrial concerns need funds. So they get the loans from the state industrial development banks. These These are intended to act as instrument for accelerating the pace of industrialization in respective states. Beside providing the financial assistance, industrial concerns by the way of it provides the loans and subscriptions to the shares and the debentures. Thank you all.